good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever time it is. Brian from Evo Dynamic here today. Going to start talking into some deeper topics. We're going to talk backups, backups for your WordPress site. So we offer a service for that, but here's how we do it. First of all, we host all of our accounts on WPEngine. So if I go over to WPEngine with my account here, I can sign in. We use 1Password to store all of our passwords for our company and our clients. And sign in. That allows us to have complex passwords for everything and protect our site. Once I'm in there, it'll show up on my sites page. Here's our internal sites. I can head over to White Glove Ninja and head over to the prod site, production site, our live site. And then we can go over here to our backup points and we can check that our backups are there. So there, about 2 hours ago, they ran a backup of our site. So I just kind of look at this. Our team looks at these for our clients once a week just to make sure they're going. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. They got 30 days of daily checkpoints, so we can roll our site back from to that time for whatever checkpoint it is. So if we mess up something on our site, we've got the backups. If we get hacked, we've got the backups. If we install a new plugin or something, we've got the backups so that we can come back to them and restore them. And then restoring was easy. You just pick one and you hit restore. You can also copy your site from staging or development, or copy it to staging or development. And our team handles all that with our Freedom WordPress product. But you can do it on your own with WPEngine. But it's good to check in here and make sure that the backup points are rolling. It's really easy to do. Some of my little hobby sites I don't keep on WPEngine, like lifechampion.coach. We'll be moving that to WPEngine in the near future, but right now it's just on a regular hosting account. And in here, we've set up Jetpack. So if we go to Jetpack, we can look at that. Jetpack's a handy little tool that you don't need when you're on WPEngine. But if we go over to the plans on Jetpack, you can see they got like a $30 plan, $35 plan for the year that does the daily backups and some other features you can upgrade as well. And to we've got Jetpack up daily, and then WordPress is where the backups are. WordPress itself, we can see, log in there, livechampion.coach. I can see my backups. So the last one was 20 hours ago, 22nd, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Usually there's a miss in here, but lately they've been doing a little bit better. And they have full coverage for every day. But WordPress is included with Jetpack. So if you're just hosting somewhere else, you're just really small, you're getting going, get Jetpack, get the annual subscription for $39. Run your updates and check them on a regular basis to make sure they're there. That way you have the security that, hey, when you update these two plugins and they mess up your site, you can go and get that backup from WordPress. And it's easy as well to view the backup and restore the backup. That is backups for WordPress. If you want us to take care of your backups, your updates on a regular basis, month in and month out, so that you can focus on your business, check us out at White Glove Ninja and sign up for our Freedom WordPress product right here. $127 a month. We'll move your site over to WPEngine. We'll take care of all your updates, and you'll be able to focus on your business and not worry about your WordPress. If you want us to do updates or content for you, it's $497 a month. You send the content over, and we post it on your site. That is backups for WordPress. Make sure you're doing it, make sure you have it, and don't forget about it. Or hand it off to us at EvoDynamic with our Freedom WordPress product. Thank you, and have a blessed day.